Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. So today I am showing you all of my Rubik's Cube. So this is my 2x2. So yes, 3, 2, 1, let's go. I am solving all of my Rubik's Cubes. So I have no 4x4. So yes, so 2x2 is finished. So the second cube is this. This is pretty horrible because it's not very fast, so let's just take a solve even though it's not that fast, but it's just okay. So yes, there's no orange color, just peeled the color. So yes, 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's kinda hard to turn and hard to see. It's because my camera is on my face. I cannot see. Yes. Oh, okay. This kind of hard because it's not lubed, and it is been a long time. I don't use this cube anymore because I don't like them. So yes. Wait, is it? Oh no. Just don't know. So there you go. It is kinda hard to turn because look at that. I don't like this cube, so yes. This is my third one. This is the worst cube. Not the worst, but I don't like that. So I'm not gonna solve this because it's gonna have a, it will pop. So yes, this is a broken cube. So the fourth is this. This is my Moyu. I don't know what's the second name, so yeah. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh wait. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Yes, it's pretty good, but not that super good. So yes. So the final one is this Rubik's Cube. The gun cube. So yes, this is my magnetic cube. You can see on my unboxing video I unboxed this. So yes, let's solve it. So in 3, 2, 1, go. It is pretty fast. So yes, I'm not that fast. So yes. Oh, what? I'm a little bit confused. Yeah, I don't know what's the pillow, so yes. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and yes, please subscribe. 10 subscribers more to go, and we are subscribers. What? No, I'm a little bit confused what I am saying. So subscribe, and we are almost 100 subscribers, 10 subscribers more to go, and I am really happy to get that 100 subscribers. So yes, thanks for watching. My name is the Speedcuber, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace.